Good morning, students. Last time we had started with active and passive voice. Lesson 12, verbs, active and passive voice, right? And we had reached up to past perfect tenses. Now let us start with past perfect tense. Past perfect tense, my father had already purchased the tickets. This is an active voice. The tickets had already been purchased by my father in passive. Had you taken all the precautions, it is active, and had all the precautions been taken in passive. Now active voice, had plus past participle form of verb, had purchased, had taken. Passive voice, had been plus past participle form of verb, had been purchased or had been taken, right? So आपको passive voice में had been add करना है. Now let us do the exercise. First three I will do, rest of them you will do it on your own. I'll just focus it on the answer key as we had done earlier. Okay, change these sentences from active to passive. Lightning had knocked down several trees. Several trees had been knocked down by lightning. By then, Babbage had invented the computer. By then, the computer had been invented by Babbage. His father had advised him not to borrow money. He had been advised by his father not to borrow money. Now 4, 5, 6 and 7 you will do it as homework and write all the sentences in your notebook because there is no space to write the answers here. It is not fill in the blanks. जो हम लोग पहले करते आए हैं वैसा ही करेंगे. Fill in the blanks होता है तो I make you write it in the textbook itself. Now I am just focusing it on the answer key. Just go through them. Number 4, their objections had already been sent by them in writing. No decision had yet been taken. By her लिख सकते हो, ज़रूरी नहीं है. Had not the importance of the meeting been explained to you by somebody needed. If you want you can write it. अगर नहीं लिखोगे तो गलत नहीं है. What had been done by the government about this, right? Now let us move on further with future perfect tense. Future perfect tense. The answers for this you can pause the video and write them down. Future perfect tense, they will have counted the votes before night. That is in active. The votes will have been counted before night. That is in passive. Will they have selected the cricket team by next week? That is active. Will the cricket team have been selected by next week? That is in passive. So what is future perfect form? Active voice, will, shall plus have plus past participle form of verb. Will have counted, will have selected, right? Past participle form, will have been. You have to add as a supporting auxiliary verb, right? In passive, will, shall plus have been plus past participle form of the verb. Will have been counted, will have been selected. Okay, now exercise 10 we have to do, change these sentences from active to passive. First three again as usual I will okay, I'll do first two only because there are only 5 in it, so I'll read out first two and or rest of the three that you will do it. They will have taken all the decisions by Monday. They will have been taken all the decisions by Monday. या आप ऐसा भी लिख सकते हो, all the decisions will have been taken by them by Monday. They will already have printed the annual report. The annual report will have been printed by them. Now 3, 4 and 5 you will do it in homework, right? I will again focus it on the answer key so that you can write down the answers from it. Right, third one, the crops will have been harvested by the farmers before rain set in. Will the dinner have been served by them before we reach home? By then, will the experiment have been finished by you? Right, I am focusing it for 2 to 3 seconds on the answer key. By then. Okay, now let us move on further. Perfect continuous tense now. Tenses now. Verbs in perfect continuous tenses cannot be expressed in the passive voice. Modals: can, could, may, might, should, would, must, ought to. Modals वाला lesson हमने omit किया because it's not that important, right? But we shall study it here where it is used in active passive. We ought to preserve our heritage, that is in active. Our heritage ought to be preserved, that is in passive. May God bless you with health, active. May you be blessed with health, a passive. Can you prove this law experimentally, active. Can this law be proved experimentally, passive. How can one ignore such a serious mistake, active. How can such a serious mistake be ignored, passive. Now active voice, the auxiliary plus root form of verb ought to preserve, may, bless, can, prove. Passive voice, the auxiliary plus be plus past participle form of verb ought to be preserved, may be, blessed, can be, proved, right? The examples have been given. Now moving on to exercise 11. Again there are 10. We shall do first 3. Rest of them you do it in homework. Again ये भी sentences आपको लिखने पड़ेंगे because there is no place to write down the answers here itself, right? So the first one, a sudden noise might frighten the baby. The baby might be frightened by a sudden noise. Then second one, nobody can do anything now. Begin with nothing. Nothing can be done now. Teachers should not burden children with unduly heavy homework. Children should not be burdened by teachers with unduly heavy homework, right? Now fourth onwards I am again focusing it on the answer key. Please note them down. मैं फोर्थ ऑनवर्ड्स ही आंसर की पे फोकस कर रही हूँ. पहले दोनों मैंने ऑलरेडी आंसर्स बोल दिए हैं. नरेशन में से लिखो, राइट? आई एम फोकसिंग इट फॉर 2 to 3 seconds. जस्ट नोट देम डाउन. इफ यू वांट यू कैन पॉज द वीडियो and note it. Okay, now further. I am not reading them all. Commands. Commands को use करने के लिए आप कैसे active passive use करते हो, that we shall see. Commands. Open the door, that is in active. Let the door be opened, passive. Or the door should be opened, that is also passive. Sell this bicycle off, that is in active. Let this bicycle be sold off, that is in passive. Or this bicycle should be sold off, that is also in passive, right? So there can be two ways in which you can express commands in a passive voice. Now active voice, the sentence begins with the root form of verb open, sell, right? Passive voice, let plus object plus be plus past participle form of verb, that is let the door be opened, let this bicycle be sold off. Or object plus should be, राइट? ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस बी है, यहाँ पे लेट से स्टार्ट किया, या तो फिर आप ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस शुड बी यूज़ कर सकते हो. पास्ट पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. द नेक्स्ट डोर शुड बी ओपनड. The door should be opened. This bicycle should be sold off, right? That is the way. Sentences beginning with let. Let him take the next turn, active. Let the next turn be taken by him, that is in passive. Let us forget the past, that is in active. Let the past be forgotten, that is in passive. So active voice, let plus the infinitive without to. Let, take, let, forget. Here let, take, let, forget, right? Passive voice, let plus be plus past participle form of verb, let plus be taken, let plus be forgotten. Moving on to exercise 12. Again there are 10. We shall do first 3 and rest you will do it in the homework. Write it in your notebook. And I am again telling you, please complete your notebooks with all the exercises that I had given you. Next month we can ask for your notebooks and those exercises and work completion will hold marks, right? तो आपकी नेक्स्ट सेमिस्टर में उसके मार्क्स रखे जाएंगे कि आपने कितना वर्क घर पर कंप्लीट करा है. आपकी ग्रामर की नोटबुक, आपकी इंग्लिश की CW, आई कैन आस्क फॉर एनीथिंग, राइट? सो प्लीज़ फिनिश योर वर्क, whatever homework is being given here, right? For all subjects we might ask the notebooks next month to the parents to come and submit it, and we will put marks for that. Okay, now further, first is join the two pieces of paper with gum. Let these two pieces of paper be joined with gum. और दूसरा वाला, let these two pieces of paper should be joined with gum. That is also correct. दो आंसर्स पॉसिबल है इसमें. So I'll keep on telling both the answers. and then I'll focus it on the answer key. Tell the children to stand in a queue. Let the children be told to stand in a queue, right? And another one is the children should be told to stand in a queue. आंसर की में कीप क्वाइट दिया हुआ है, उसकी जगह पे स्टैंड इन अ क्यू करना है आपको, राइट? आई हैव मेड द करेक्शन. शेक द बॉटल वेल बिफोर टेकिंग द मेडिसिन. Let the bottle be shaken well before taking the medicine. The bottle should be shaken well before taking the medicine. Now fourth onwards you shall do it on the homework and I am focusing the camera on the answers. अब यहाँ पे जो है quiet की जगह पे keep quiet. Let the children be told to stand in a queue. Right? And the children should be told to stand in a queue again. So this would be the change in the answers. Now I'm again focusing on the answers. Please note down. If you want, you can pause the video for 3 to 4 seconds. I will pause it on it. Okay, so now we shall move further on the next exercise. That is exercise 13. Exercise 13, fill in the blanks with the simple past active or passive forms of the verbs given in the bracket. अब ब्रैकेट में जो verbs दिए उनके simple past और active और passive forms को आपको यहाँ पे यूज़ करना है. Last night some burglars dash into our house and dash some jewelry. Broke into our house and stole some jewelry. How dash the house they enter? How did they enter the house? Most probably one of the windows in Papa's room was left open. Leave का हो जाएगा was left. Number 4, one of the burglars dashed the room and dashed the main door. Entered the room and opened the main door. Number 5, dash any cash steal, right? Was any cash stolen? आपको क्वेश्चन बनाना है तो आप ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब से स्टार्ट करोगे. कौन सा वाला? सिंपल पास्ट वाला. सो was any cash stolen? Fortunately the burglars dash anything except jewelry. Not touch, didn't touch या did not touch, right? Dash the incident to the police. Did you report the incident to the police? Then number 8, of course I did. The SHO came to inspect the house. Number 9, what did he say? He say use करना है, right? Number 10, he dash some fingerprints. Left, he lift. He lift का हो जाएगा he lifted. Actually it should be he lifted some fingerprints. Sorry, this is wrong. It is not left. Okay, leave का left होता है. This is lift, so it should be lifted. He lifted some fingerprints. He hopes that the case will be solved soon. Right? Now moving on to exercise 14. Fill in the blanks है तो इसको इधर ही रखो टेक्स्ट बुक में. No need to write it in your notebook. Now we shall move on to exercise 14. Again there are 15 sentences. First 5 I will read the answers out and 6 to 15 आप homework में अपनी notebook में करोगे. Right? Write down the answers there. Now first one, change the following sentences from active to passive. The first one, we must cross the road only at the zebra crossing. The road must be crossed only at the zebra crossing. Don't blame others for your failures. Others should not be blamed for your failures. Such difficulties do not discourage me. I am not discouraged by such difficulties. Number 4, they will make fun of you for asking such a simple question. You will be made fun of for asking such a simple question. The principal had already invited the teachers to give their views. The teachers had already been invited by the principal to give their views. Now from number 6 to 15 I am focusing it on the answer key. ये पहले 5 वाले हैं जो मैंने आंसर ऑलरेडी बता दिए आपको. 2 to 3 seconds I am focusing it on that. If you want you can pause the video and have a look and write down the answers accordingly. Now I'm moving on to the next page, that is from 6 to 15. Just have a look at the answers and write them down. Again, I will focus it for 2 to 3 seconds. आपको चाहिए तो वीडियो पॉज करो यहाँ पे और सारे आंसर्स लिख लो, राइट? एवरी टाइम आई हैव बीन टेलिंग दिस. Okay, now let us move on further with the next exercise, exercise 15. Exercise 15 भी same है, active to passive करना है. Change these sentences from active to passive. For again there are 15 examples. I will do first 5 for your understanding, and then rest of them you shall do it in the homework. In the notebook करना है, because यहाँ answers लिखने की जगह नहीं है. So you have to write all these answers in your notebook. Number 1, our classes were being taken by the senior most teachers. The senior most teachers were taking our classes. Sorry, इसका passive to active करना है. हाँ, आपको passive दिया है, उसका active voice में change करना है, उल्टा करना है. Let each child be given some responsibility. वो भी समझ लो, उल्टा कैसे करना है वो भी समझ लो. Let each child be given some responsibility. Give each child some responsibility. That is the answer. He has hardly ever been trusted by his colleagues. His colleagues have hardly ever trusted him. Number 4, everybody present there was deeply moved by her tragic story. Her tragic story deeply moved everybody present there. Number 5, his words must not be taken too seriously. You must not take his words too seriously. Subject implied है, यहाँ पे आपको subject डालना पड़ेगा, right? Okay. You must not या you should not, दोनों आप डाल सकते हो. Now from 6 to 15 onwards, you will do it in homework. I am focusing it on the answer key. I am holding it for 2 to 3 seconds. You can just pause the video and copy them down, so that you get all the answers, and we finish off the lesson here, I think. And after that it is review 1. Okay, now moving on to the next exercise. review 1 है इसके बाद, right? review 1 में हमने जितने lessons complete किए वो सब है. एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन्स हमने किया था, पहले क्वेश्चन टैग्स किया था. आई विल जस्ट रफली रन ऑन थ्रू द आंसर्स. आप लोग उसमें से नोट डाउन कर सकते हो, ठीक है? ए एंड आर्टिकल्स ये आप सॉल्व कर सकते हो, ये सब हमने किया हुआ है. ऑल द एक्सरसाइजेज मोस्टली वी हैव डन, सो यू कैन कंप्लीट इट फ्रॉम दोज लेसन्स. स्टिल आई एम फोकसिंग इट ऑन द आंसर की ऑफ review 1. जस्ट हैव अ लुक, और चाहिए तो इसका फ़ोटो खींच लो, स्नैपशॉट ले लो, या फिर मैं फोकस कर रही हूँ उसको पॉज करके आप नोट डाउन कर सकते हो. एक्सरसाइज 1, 2, 3, 4 के आंसर्स दिख रहे हैं इसमें. आई एम जस्ट फोकसिंग इट फॉर 2, 3, 4 seconds देयर. पॉज कर लेना वीडियो, सो यू कैन ईजिली राइट डाउन द आंसर्स. नाउ इट इज़ ऑन क्वेश्चन एक्सरसाइज 5, 6 and 7. उस पर फोकस कर दिया है. आई थिंक लास्ट वाला एक्सरसाइज है वो मॉडल्स के रिगार्डिंग है, तो वो भी लिख लो आंसर्स. यू कैन जस्ट राइट इट डाउन. So now we have finished up to review 1, right? Now moving further, we shall start with lesson 13, adverbs, from your textbook, right? What are adverbs? Adverbs are the words which add to the verb. What is a verb? First of all, we have studied verb is an action word, right? Action word को जो add करेगा उसके meaning में, that is called an adverb, right? Okay, now let us study defining an adverb. An adverb is a word that adds something to the meaning of a verb. An adjective or another adverb. Adjective को भी add करता है और another adverb को भी add करता है. The traveler walked briskly. Today I faced a very difficult situation. She faced the interview quite confidently. Right? So walked कैसा था? Briskly. So this is an adverb. टुडे आई फेस्ड अ वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन कैसा था? सिचुएशन कैसी थी? डिफ़िकल्ट थी, राइट? सो दिस इज़ एन एडजेक्टिव. एडजेक्टिव को ऐड कर रहा है वेरी, Then she faced the interview quite confidently. Confidently is a verb. Quiet is an adverb. In above sentences, the words printed in bold letters are all adverbs. In sentence 1, the adverb briskly adds to the meaning of the verb walked. It tells how the traveler walked. In sentence 2, difficult is an adjective describing the noun situation. The adverb very adds to the meaning of the adjective difficult. It tells how difficult the situation was. In sentence 3, confidently is an adverb describing the verb faced. The adverb quiet adds to the meaning of the adverb confidently. It tells how confidently he faced the interview, right? Now moving further, kinds of adverbs. Adverbs of manner, that is walked fast, worked quietly, right? Tell how an action is performed. Adverbs of place, tell where an action is performed. Sat here, went downstairs, right? The examples are given, so I'm just reading it out. Adverbs of time, which tell when an action is performed. Time batate, came early, played today. Adverbs of frequency tell how often an action is done. Frequency मतलब कितनी बार हुआ है, right? They tell you the frequency. Visited twice, came usually. Adverbs of degree answer the question how much और in what degree, कितना उसका ये है, मतलब क्या बोलते हैं उसको, इंटेंसिटी. हाउ कम्प्लीटली, टोटली, फुल. ये इंटेंसिटी दिखा रहा है आपको. कम्प्लीटली मतलब पूरा, टोटली मतलब सब पूरा एकदम, राइट? Interrogative adverbs to ask, used to ask a question. When did the train arrive? Why is the train late? These are all interrogative. When, why, WH words. Are adverbs of affirmation, negation. जो yes no, yes होता है वो affirmation, और जो no में होता है that is negation. Express assertion or denial, right? He will certainly help us. I am not willing to accept this job. Not willing मतलब इच्छा नहीं है, वो जो नेगेशन में जाता है ये नेगेटिव हुआ, डिनायल. एंड सर्टनली मतलब पक्का, दैट इज असर्टन, राइट? सो एफर्मेशन हुआ वो. एक्सक्लेमेटरी एडवर्ब्स एक्सप्रेस डिग्री और एक्सटेंट इन एक्सक्लेमेशंस, दैट इज वर्ड्स लाइक हाउ, व्हाट. एक डिग्री आपको एक्सप्रेस करता है फीलिंग. हाउ क्लेवरली शी एक्टेड, इट ऑलवेज कम्स एंड में तो एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क होता है. व्हाट अ हिलेरियस कॉमेडी, राइट? रिलेटिव एडवर्ब्स रिलेट और रेफर बैक टू देयर एंटीसीडेंट. एक उसका जो वर्ब होता है उसको रिलेट करने वाले. आई रेस्टेड वेन एवर आई गॉट एन अपॉर्चुनिटी, राइट? आई पार्क द कार वेयर यू हैड इंस्ट्रक्टेड मी, राइट? कहाँ पे बताया था, वहीं पे मैंने पार्क किया. वेन एवर आई फाइंड टाइम. सो उसका एंटीसीडेंट जो होता है, रेस्टेड इज़ द एंटीसीडेंट हियर, पार्कड इज़ द एंटीसीडेंट हियर, उसको वो लोग एक्सप्रेस करते हैं. Sometimes an adverb can modify the whole sentence. Luckily, she was not much hurt. Like starting में वो use होता है and it is expressing the meaning of the whole sentence. That is also an adverb, right? So we have just started adverbs, lesson 13, and we have studied what are adverbs and what are the types of adverbs. Now from this we shall continue next time. We stop here today. मैंने लास्ट लेसन का आपको जो भी एक्सरसाइजेज और रिव्यू 1 के जो भी आंसर्स शेयर किए हैं, प्लीज़ राइट दैम डाउन एंड कंप्लीट इट इन द टेक्स्ट बुक. और नोटबुक में जो भी एक्सरसाइजेज लिखने को बोली है वो लिखना है. जहाँ फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स नहीं है वो आपको नोटबुक में लिखना पड़ेगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स मोस्टली है इसमें, तो सो इतना प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. दिस यू शुड राइट इट इन द नोटबुक. आई हैव शेयर्ड द आंसर्स. ओके, नाउ next time we shall continue from here, that is page number 110. We stop here today.